What is going on, boys? Today, I am just going to simply give you the top social media marketing agency that if I was beginning, I would start in 2024. Now, the reason why I say this video is so crazy is because I have already tested out this idea and I've already started making money from it. Now, it is far away from my initial offer that I won't scale it myself, but I am more than happy to give this to you, and whoever decides to actually take action on this in 2024 is going to be able to make a whole lot of money. So I can 100% guarantee it works. And as a matter of fact, here is the screenshot of the second invoice that I got from a client who I charged $1,500 to do this specific service. Boys, this thing works, and it works very, very well. I'm telling you right now that if you just do it, put a little bit more execution behind it than I'm willing to, you'll make a whole lot of money. So let's just get into this thing, right? There is a really, really big opportunity right now, like a humongous opportunity right now happening in social media that if you just took advantage of it, like if you just capitalize on, you'll be able to make way more money than you're probably making right now. I like to call this broke influencer syndrome. It's a pretty crazy term, and shout out to my buddy Eddie. He made a whole short form video about this. I tested the idea, ran it, like charged somebody a bunch of money for it, and like now you guys can reiterate it and then do the same thing that I did and that Eddie told me about. And I know that the term broke influencer syndrome sounds kind of crazy, but let me dive into this a little bit more just so that you can begin to understand what we're actually talking about here, right? Right now, the current landscape of social media really started in the pandemic. It really started in 2020 when everybody was sitting at home and they didn't have anything else to do except just be on their phones 24/7. This led to a space, like a specific sector of space, where people were tremendously more comfortable with social media. Like their eyes, like, and not the entire world's eyes was glued to their phones literally all the time. 7 to 12 to some people, like 20 hours a day, all of the time, were on social media. What did this mean? It means that lots of creators were able to get audiences relatively quickly, like quicker than they ever have before across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and tons of other platforms, right? But this is the big problem. Those creators don't know how to make money. They know how to make good videos, but they do not know how to make dollars. They don't know how to make cash. This is where the opportunity comes in. Because for us as marketers, if we can solve the problem of showing these creators how to make money, all of a sudden, all we need is a small piece of the pie, and then you start making way more money than you probably are seeing currently. So this is the thing, right? It's so funny because of those influx of creators, like if you just capitalize on it, you're just going to make money. And this is the problem, right? That there are a ton of creators with over 100K plus audiences and they just don't know how to monetize. So what we found out, this is actually a statistic that Eddie broke down, right? Is that there are over 200 million creators globally. And surprisingly, only 2% of them have managed to make over 50K online. This is such an interesting stat because it doesn't say that they made 50K yearly. It says they make 50K totally online. Like this stat is the thing that this entire premise is based off of. That most creators are rich in attention but are financially struggling. If I go off topic for a second, when you're building a business, usually the toughest part of that business is getting people's attention. These creators have it opposite. They have the attention of everybody in their niche, but they don't know how to make money from that. That's where we come in. That's where we make a ton of money. So I already know what you're thinking here, right? This is a really, really interesting topic, but what does this mean for me? Well, we're going to just jump right into it, right? Because the rest of this video is literally just going to be about how you can make a boatload of money selling that solution. And I'm going to break down that solution step by step, literally to you, so that just so that you can fully understand it, right? So turning followers into dollars is actually a lot simpler than you might think. Here is the solution that Eddie and I came up with that I have taken advantage of, again, to sign the client that I started this video with. So here it is, right? There's the easy way. There's like step, I guess, 1A. If you go to findcreators.io and look for creators with a following count of at least 10,000. You can go higher, you can go a little bit lower, but 10,000 is a really good rule of thumb. You'll get a really large list of creators in their niches. So what you want to do is find those creators and make sure that they are actively posting. Like, you don't want creators that built an audience a year ago and haven't really tapped into the audience. It could work, but it'll be a whole lot more leg room for you. That's one way. The first thing, step number one, find a list of creators. Step number two, get out an Excel sheet. This is what I do. Get out an Excel sheet and go find a niche of creators. Go and add 100 creators into that list with the broke influencer syndrome. And then have a VA add to that list every single week. So, like for me in my agency, for example, I actually reached out to this client by accident. I was actually trying to sell them something completely different, and they told me, well, hey, I would love to get this. And I was like, holy crap, it's because they're suffering from broke influencer syndrome. They probably can't pay my normal prices, but they can afford something like this. So, this is what we do. Right? The difficult part of this, and I'll get into this a little bit more later on, is the scale of the niche. Some niches make more money than others. In the niche that I chose, or like my actual business, I work with people who are in the B2B space. They sell to other business owners. So naturally, they make more money. All right, now that you have your list, the next part is to actually reach out to these creators. Honestly, it's really, really simple, but I am just going to give you the Cod DM script that I've used. You want to make sure you're using a proven framework, because like, if you're not, then getting them on the call is going to be very, very difficult. You do not want to send them your entire portfolio. You don't want to send them a super long message. You want to send them something very short, very small, and very straight to the point. Now, this Cod DM script is not the Cod DM script that I use to close that client. It's the Cod DM script I use inside of my offer. And I want to show you guys what it's like to put together an effective Cod DM, because, and like, I didn't want to just give you mine because like, I don't want you to just copy and paste it. It's going to have to look different. It's going to look changed. It's going to be iterated. But what I will do is break down to you what it looks like on a very successful Cod DM script that I've used in the past that I'm not currently running anymore. So start off, you want to get as personalized as you can in as short as you can, right? So hey, whoever this guy's name is, guy or girl's name is, mine is that I've created a system that allows you to make an instant, that will make you an instant authority in your niche. Are you interested? It takes just 2 hours a month. I know this might look ridiculously simple, but literally I closed like 3 or 4 clients off of this Cod DM script, and let me tell you why. The very first thing it starts off with is what everything starts off with, like, hey, first name. The very next thing it starts off with is the next words that you read are telling them why, like where the value is immediately. Notice I'm not talking about my portfolio. I'm not talking about any of the things that I've done. I am only talking about how it will benefit them in as short amount of time as possible. So I've created a system that will make you an instant authority in your niche. Why do I do that? Because I understand that's what my audience wants. So that means you need to understand when you're making this thing, yes, everybody wants to make money, but take it back a step further. Why do they want to make money? What is the purpose of making this money? What does your target audience actually want? Add that, like literally, like dangle it in front of them and say, I have that. And then the nail in the coffin is time. What I know about my target audience is that they don't have a lot of time. So in my Cod DM script, I give them the vision of like, hey, I can make you an instant authority in your niche. You don't have time. Great. For this solution to work, I don't need time. And it's just that simple. You scale this and send this out to like a ton of people. Follow the framework that I just gave you. It's very important to follow that framework. All of a sudden, you'll start making a ton of money, and you'll get a lot more replies and DMs than most people think. Make sure your profile is like together. Don't look like a freaking scam, or else nobody will respond to you anyway. One of the things that really helps is that because I do personal branding, I know how to make an effective profile. So make sure your profile is together, run this Cod DM script, and that is step number 2. The next thing you want to do, once you get them a response, once you get them to agree on a call, which literally could be a whole video on its own around sales calls and like how to get people to convert, the very next thing you want to do as far as service delivery is set them up a community in school. It's spelled wrong right here. It's SKOOL. It's an online learning community that's ridiculously cheap for creators to set up. Like literally it costs $99 a month for them to be able to set up a course in a community that they can sell for literally whatever price that they want to. So setting up school is ridiculously easy. The only thing you need them to do is get the creator to make a list of, I would say, anywhere between 7 to 12 videos, Put it inside of the course. Make sure those videos are very, very valuable and allow people in the community to engage with each other. Now, the next thing you do, this is where the sauce comes in. This is where like you actually start making money from this thing. Is you charge anywhere from $10 to $1,000 per month in access for this course. Now, this is the part where you have to choose your niche very, very wisely. Because if you're a beginner, it makes sense to target somebody like in the gaming niche, somebody in the cooking niche, some niches who historically don't make a lot of money, like maybe in the traveling niche, because you'll get a higher response rate. At the same time, though, they're going to sell that course for a whole lot less, which means you're going to have to charge them a whole lot less. Now, on the other side, if you're like me, I sell primarily, like almost 90% of my target audience is B2B businesses, which means most of my clients are selling packages that start at like $6,500, $10,000. One of my clients sells a package that starts at $25,000. And I can charge them a lot more money because by me making one sale, it is very justifiable for them to charge me half of that one sale. And then boom, I have a 5K client for the month. It's not a big deal anymore. So you have to figure out where's your balance between experience and the actual niche that you can provide a stellar service for. All right, now here's the really, really interesting part. You want to actually use this math whenever you are choosing which creators to close and which creators to fall away from. It's called the 1% rule. It works very, very simply. Estimated that if a creator launches an audience, that 1% of that audience will convert into customers. Literally, you should use this inside of your sales pitches as well. Generally, if you have an audience that, let's say, has 100,000 followers, that means generally 1,000 of them will buy over a given time frame. You can almost guarantee that you'll have 1,000 customers. It's very, very logical too. If they pay you $20 a month, I want you guys to understand this. You're looking at $20,000. If you structure your deal right and do an irresistible offer where you tell the creator, hey, I will set up all of this for you. All you have to do is sell this thing for $20 a month. You know that people love you. You know it's ridiculously valuable. You will literally add an extra $10,000 like that overnight. Your entire life will change. So this is why this is so interesting, because right now we're at a space where this offer makes a ridiculous amount of sense. If you've been paying any attention to TikTok, to Instagram, even to YouTube recently, a lot of these platforms are getting in the way of creators making money. Their creators are not allowed to just post ads anymore, get paid from brands that way, and make a crap ton of money. Now these platforms want to be in the middle. They want to be making money from creators using their platforms to, well, make money. So their opportunity of making money is getting taken off the table. Why this is so important in 2024 is because their audience hasn't gone anywhere. Their audience is just as big, but the creators are a lot less motivated to post to that audience because their number one driver of income has gone away. You make pennies from affiliate sales on Amazon. You're not able to sell ads anymore. How else do you think creators are able to do this thing? By selling digital products that have like a 98% profit margin. Right now in 2024, this is a ridiculously amazing opportunity. And if I was getting started in social media marketing agency, literally I would just do this. Like the part that's so cool and so fun about it is that it doesn't take a lot of time. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need to have a whole lot of skill in order to do this. The only thing you need to do is have the wherewithal, like the intuition, like the grind and the hustle to reach out to hundreds, if not thousands of creators, get 2 or 3 to sign on with you, and then execute on those 2. Remember, they've already done the hard part of building a business as far as establishing an audience. The only thing you need to do is actually go inside of their business, build them an amazing digital product, and Bob's your uncle. You're making a whole lot more money than you've probably ever seen before in your life. So like I said, you have to be hungry for success in order to not miss out on this opportunity. That's all I got for this one, guys. Don't forget to watch a few more of my videos. If you're interested in topics like this, literally I drop social media marketing topics all the time that I'm sure you'll love. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace!